Hey family, so we just checked into Hotel 1000 in downtown Seattle and we wanted to give you a little room tour. We got some goodies from the hotel upon checking in. Here is the view that we got from our room of downtown Seattle. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Here's the bathroom, the shower, the actual bathtub fills from the ceiling, which is pretty cool. Here's more of the bathroom. The phone is right here and kind of like the layout of the room, which is pretty spacious. And then more of the bathroom amenities like mouthwash, shower cap, and the lotion and like soap and stuff is like from the best brand ever. Robes and slippers, and the safe is in the closet. The fridge, the electric kettle's right here, as well as an espresso machine, which was really nice, and a sachet of lavender, and my kids super happy.